So how can you add a logo in Capcut on your iPad? Let's get started. If you are new on the Foxtecc YouTube channel, make sure you are subscribed because I just don't want you to miss tutorials about your iPad in the future. So open up the Capcut application, make sure you have your video files and everything ready. And in order to add your logo, click on the plus button next to the timeline. And you don't want to import the videos this time, but import photos, right? Make sure you have your logo ready beforehand and saved in the Photos app so you can import it quickly in here. It would make sense if the photo was in the PNG format, meaning that it doesn't have any background, right? So you can import it like this, click on add, and you can see that we now have the photo at the end of our clip as a separate, like file here. So now I want you to click on it to select it, and from the options below, tap on the overlay feature, right? Because you can make sure that it goes on the top of your video. You can stretch it alongside your whole clip like that. Make sure you resize it and perhaps put it in the corner or adjust it the way that you want. And just make sure it just goes through the whole video length like that. So inside of the order or throughout your entire video, you'll be able to see the logo somewhere in the corner or whatever you decide it to be. If you feel like it's like too prominent, you can also dial down the opacity by having the photo selected as well, and click on the opacity where you can lower it down and it will be like more transparent. So it's still visible, but it doesn't stand in the way too much. So that's it from me. Let me know if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the future videos.